everyone, welcome to another episode of the Culinary Arts of Ashmont. This week we are making homemade tomato sauce. Cut the tip and peel 1 clove of garlic. Crushing the garlic sometimes makes it easier to remove the peel. To mince, slice lengthwise, turn the garlic and chop the other way, cutting into as tiny of pieces as you can. Slice an onion in half through the root. Remove the tip, but be careful not to cut the root any further. Remove the outer peel. Carefully slice towards the root, but not cutting all the way through the root. Turn the onion and cut towards the root horizontally, again being careful not to cut through the root. Turn the onion once more and cut down. The onion should dice itself. Make sure to always keep the tip of your knife against the cutting board, lifting the heel of the blade and bringing it down. Keep your fingers tucked under like a claw to avoid chopping your finger. Discard the root and measure out 3/4 of a cup of chopped onion. To begin, measure 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add it to your saucepan or frying pan. Once you've added the oil, turn your burner onto medium heat. Once your oil reaches a watery consistency, you can add your garlic and saute. When the garlic is slightly browned, you can add your onions. Saute the onions until they are clear. Make sure to watch the pan at all times so that nothing burns. Add 1 can at 796 milliliters of stewed tomatoes. Next, add 1 small can of tomato paste. Add a half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. You can also add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Add any other desired spices, including Italian seasoning, marjoram, or anything else you desire. Insert your bay leaf. Stir the ingredients and bring to a boil. While waiting for your sauce, add water to your pot until it's about half full. Add a bit of salt to help the water boil faster. Turn your burner to high so that it can reach boiling point. Once the water is boiling, you can add your pasta. And when the noodles are soft, stir them in with tongs so that all of the noodles are covered by water. Remember to keep checking your sauce and giving it a stir every few minutes. When your sauce reaches a boil, reduce heat and simmer for about an hour or until the sauce is thick. When your pasta is boiled, add it to a colander to strain any water. Divide the pasta between a few plates and add your sauce. Make sure to remove your bay leaf before serving to guests. Garnish with a fresh basil leaf or some Parmesan cheese. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching.